The UN models out of D&B's U-series are networked loudspeakers. They contain an electronics module that provides all functionalities which are usually taken care of by an external D&B system amplifier. Milan audio network, remote control via R1, DSP and amplification. In addition, all UN loudspeakers are equipped with an NFC module for easy configuration via a mobile device. This even works when the system is unpowered. In this video, we'll show you how to use this functionality. First, download the N.Control App from the App Store or Google Play. It is free of charge. Make sure you know the location of the NFC antenna on your mobile device. On most smartphones, it is located in the upper half. If in doubt, please check the manual. NFC only works when the antennas on your smartphone and the UN cabinet are in very close proximity. On UN cabinets, the NFC antenna is located here, very close to the built-in white LED. To read the current settings from a UN loudspeaker, select the loudspeaker type in the app and press Read. Mate the NFC tags and wait for confirmation. The process only takes a few seconds. For this to work, it does not matter whether the loudspeaker is powered on or not. Now, all current settings of the cabinet have been read and are displayed in the app. To send settings to a UN loudspeaker, select the loudspeaker model and adjust the desired parameters within the app. This works for DSP parameters as well as network and remote ID settings. Then, press Send and mate the NFC tags. Note that sending data takes a little bit longer than reading. Again, this even works when the loudspeaker is not powered on. The transmitted settings will take effect a few seconds after they have been received, or if the loudspeaker was not powered on at that moment, when it turns on the next time. Please note, as long as R1 is online with the UN cabinet, all NFC communication is disabled.